this one mindset shift changed my trading forever. Now, I've been trading for almost 4 years now, and a lot of that time was done strategy hopping. But this one mindset shift, I can't even talk, actually changed my trading and actually started making me progress towards my goals, which is to grow my funding, past funded challenges. Now, it's simple. It's from Mark Douglas's Trading in the Zone, and all he says is take an exercise and take basically a 25 or 20 to 25 trade sample size where you execute every single trade that meets your criteria. So let's just say whatever rules you have, just make sure you've backtested a strategy and make sure you know it's profitable. Then what he says is write out all the rules according to that strategy, and when that strategy tells you, like when you have a buy signal and when the strategy says you have a sell signal. Simple. Also, obviously, if there are no trades to the strategy, then don't trade and don't overtrade and revenge trade, all of these things. Don't do that. Basically, just print out a simple trading plan and follow every single rule that is listed on it. Now, the idea is to follow that trading plan for 20 to 25 trades, okay? And during that sample size or the exercise, you cannot change any variable. Because after maybe 6 trades, maybe you're losing some and you're like, oh yeah, but I've noticed this happens in these 6 trades. It doesn't matter. He says, take every single trade. You're not allowed to change the rules in your sample size in this exercise until you have completed it. So I would say what I've done personally is I've done a 20 trade sample size, and that's shown me enough. It's shown me that the strategy isn't the problem and it's me. I need to work on myself. I need to work on showing up more. Okay, it's not the strategy. There's no reason to strategy up. I would have passed many funded accounts if I just stuck to my strategy. Okay, with trading psychology, the thing is that you are going to, after a couple of losses, think that something is wrong and you're going to change the system and you're going to be in that same loop of strategy hopping, system to system, all these things. So just literally take a 20 or 25 trade sample size and follow every single trade. Take every single trade, journal it religiously on TradeZella or on Notion, and literally see how the results are. Now, after the 20 or 25 trade sample size, if you're not happy with the results, as Mark Douglas says, then feel free to maybe tweak something. Maybe see if something's gone wrong extremely, then change the variables or the rules. But if nothing's gone wrong, and maybe if you're even like down 1 or 2%, that's fine. 1 or 2% is nothing in the grand scheme of things, in the overall big picture. But this basically shifted my mindset and helped me improve in trading, because it showed me that a couple of losses isn't going to, define everything. It isn't going to define the whole month's, outcome, percentage-wise. You have to basically zoom out and look at the bigger picture, and that is what this exercise basically helps with. So that shifted my mindset in thinking from a trade-by-trade perspective to a series of trades perspective. So that is the rule. That is a mindset shift. I highly encourage you to try this. Define a set of rules, whatever strategy you have, London session, New York session, whatever. Define the rules, take a 20 or 25 trade sample size. Every single trade must meet those rules and see where you're at. And then see if it's worth strategy hopping or tweaking some variables. But until then, that's it for today. Hope you got value from this video. And I hope this exercise really affects you and impacts you just the way as it has impacted me. I really can't talk today. But it's really impacted me. And it's shown me that, strategy isn't actually the issue. It's just taking those trades and showing up. So anyway, hope you got value. I will see you in the next one. Happy trading and stay safe.